Academy. Presentation Ank Academy channel.
It's not calm. Try again. Hi, sweetie. Early in the morning. Why are you sleeping? Lovely. Oh, naughty. Please let me rest. The parrots roll around me every time. Let's drink some more honey, darling. Oh, my sweetie. I love you. I love you. I love you. You're my black beauty. I love you. I love you. Oh, my black beauty. I love you. 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 You're my black beauty. I love you. I love you. I have to stay still. It's really annoying. Today the bear came and stole the honey. They don't come to play, they come to drink honey. If Mom sees it, she'll beat us up. Drink it quickly.
Are we just children? You also like to drink honey.